Are you a beginner who do not know anything about Thai language? This is the right video. Watch this video to the end. You will learn the most basic 20 phrases that you should know in Thai language. สวัสดีค่ะ Welcome to Learn Thai with Mod with me, kráp. If you would like to speak Thai with confidence and speak like a native speaker, you are at the right place. Do not forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, Learn Thai with Mod, and follow us on Instagram and Facebook, Learn Thai with Mod. Alright, and before the lesson starts, I would like to invite all of you to join our online group course via Zoom. You can learn Thai without leaving home. We can help you. You can send us this email to get a free assessment test before you enroll the class, so we can put you in the right level. Either you want to start from zero, or you want to keep up your Thai, or you want to go to your next level of Thai language. So you can write up this email, and we have a new group opening every month, and I would like to see you in my class. So this video is about the most common and important basic 20 phrases for beginners that you should know. If you know nothing about Thai language, this is the right video for you. Alright, so the first phrase or the first word is the polite particle. You probably know that in Thai language we have the polite particle for male speakers and female speakers. And for male we say kráp, so with high tone kráp. Usually, the correct way is supposed to be kráp, like roll the R. But in general, Thai guys always drop the R, so you can just say kàwp, and it means exactly the same thing. And we put in the end when you speaking Thai to make it more polite and respect. Alright? And for female, we say kà. Alright, so the polite particle for male is kráp, for female is kà. And it doesn't change, that it doesn't mean if you talk to a guy, you say kráp, you talk to a girl, you say kà. No, but if you are, like as a speaker, if you are male, you always say kráp, doesn't matter who you're talking to. And also if you're female, you always say kà. Alright, and the second word is the pronouns I. So in English, doesn't matter male or female, you have only one word for I. But in Thai language, for male, you always call yourself ผม so that is I for male. But as a female, we would say ฉัน. Alright, and the third word is how to say hello. In Thai is สวัสดี. Of course, you would add สวัสดีครับ for male to make it more polite, and สวัสดีค่ะ for female to make it more polite. Alright, and the fourth phrase is thank you. So thank you in Thai is ขอบคุณ ครับ for male speaker, ขอบคุณค่ะ for female speakers. Alright, and if you want to say you're welcome or my pleasure, in Thai we say ยินดีครับ for male speakers, and ยินดีค่ะ for female speakers. Alright, and to say sorry and excuse me. So in Thai, the word for sorry and excuse me, we use the same word, which is ขอโทษ ขอโทษ kráp, for male speakers, and ขอโทษ ค่ะ, for female speakers. And if you want to give a response, it's okay, no problem, never mind. In Thai, we say ไม่เป็นไร ครับ for male speakers, and ไม่เป็นไรค่ะ for female speakers. Is to ask how are you in Thai, and we say สบายดีไหม Don't forget to add ka and kráp in the end to make it more polite. Alright, and if you want to give a response, I am fine or I'm good, in Thai we say สบายดี sà-baai-dii. And you don't have to always find. You can be honest with your answer. You know, you can be okay, not too bad, or so. And in Thai, we say ก็ดี ก็ดี So you can say ก็ดีค่ะ as a female, and then ก็ดีครับ for male speakers. Alright, and if you're not feeling well in Thai, we say ไม่สบาย ไม่สบาย Alright, and if you like to ask the person back like, what about you and yourself? So in Thai, we say คุณล่ะ คุณล่ะ คุณล่ะคะ for female speakers, คุณล่ะครับ for male speakers. And the next phrase is to ask how is it going, how is everything, or you can ask either how is something or how was something. And in Thai, we say เป็นยังไงบ้าง เป็นยังไงบ้าง เป็นยังไงบ้างคะ and เป็นยังไงบ้างครับ Alright, and when you couldn't hear or you don't really understand what Thai person said and you want to ask them to repeat or ask like what do you say? In Thai, we say อะไรนะ อะไรนะ So you can say อะไรนะคะ อะไรนะครับ So when you say this phrase, Thai people will automatically repeat what they say, or they will say it one more time. And number 15 is to say I don't know. So I don't know in Thai ไม่รู้ ไม่รู้ So as a male speakers, you can say ผมไม่รู้ครับ For female, you can say ฉันไม่รู้ค่ะ And number 16 is I don't understand. So understand is เข้าใจ เข้าใจ So for male speakers, you would say ผมไม่เข้าใจครับ And female, you would say ฉันไม่เข้าใจค่ะ And number 17 is how to say I can speak Thai a little bit. So as for male, you would say ผมพูดภาษาไทยได้นิดหน่อยครับผมพูดภาษาไทยได้นิดหน่อยครับ And for female, you would say ฉันพูดภาษาไทยได้นิดหน่อยค่ะ So พูด is to speak, ภาษาไทย is Thai language, ได้ is can or able to, นิดหน่อย is a little bit. Alright, and number 18, if Thai people speak really fast and you don't really understand what they say, you can ask them to say slowly please by saying พูดช้าๆหน่อยพูดช้าๆหน่อย As a male, you can say พูดช้าๆหน่อยครับ And female, you can say พูดช้าๆหน่อยค่ะ So ช้า is slow, ช้า is slowly. Alright, and number 19 is when you don't understand that word and you want Thai people to say that word in English, or you can ask like, what does it say in English? How to say that word in English? So you can say พูดภาษาอังกฤษยังไงพูดภาษาอังกฤษยังไง So basically you can start with the word that you don't know and then you can add the question phrase after. For example, if I want to say, oh, how to say male in English? So I can say แมวพูดภาษาอังกฤษยังไงแมวพูดภาษาอังกฤษยังไง So basically you can start with the Thai word that you don't understand and then follow by how to say in English. Alright, and the 20th, the last one is how to say see you later. In Thai, we say เจอกันเจอกัน So for male, you can say เจอกันครับ and for female, you can say เจอกันค่ะ And that was the first common basic 20 words and phrases that you should know when you would like to start speaking Thai with the Thai people. And please stay tuned for the next episode because I will make more video about the basic words and phrases. It's very helpful for beginners learners. Alright, and if you have any questions or any comments, please feel free to leave them here. And if you would like to improve your Thai language skill, do not forget to write up this email. Alright, thank you very much for watching and I will see you again next video. สวัสดีค่ะ